As soon as I heard the Avengers had this super banter-filled duel with Ultron on one of these old ships, I just had to come check it out. Also, I was really hoping to catch Hulk for one of those Hulk selfies I keep seeing online. I figured one with the ships in the background would be pretty hype, right? Okay, which of these boats do you think the fight happened in? Gosh, I feel like a kid in a candy store. A candy boat store! No way. Ultron robots? Seriously? Oh, this is so win.
Did you just call me a bonehead?
Face front. This looks like yet another perilous predicament.
It's about to get pretty hot in here.
What do you want?
You know, I think these waves of goons are trying to tell us something. I think this is the boat. Okay, I've pitched my boat. I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. Hulk. Awesome! That's my new full wallpaper right there. You know, that whole Avengers fight on the boat story sounded uncannily similar to this fanfic I wrote, where Captain America and Hawkeye were sailors. Well, okay, maybe they both just involved boats in some way. Anyway, my mom's probably wondering where the heck I am. Gotta go!